Imagine owning a tiny piece of a company and watching it quietly grow into something that could change your life. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist, there's a secret almost nobody talks about, a way to let your money grow without doing anything flashy, and by the end of this video, you'll realize why most people never notice it. Stick around, because what I'm about to show you could completely change the way you think about money, investing, and your future, but only if you watch closely. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of stocks, what they are, how they work, and some basic terms you need to know. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. A stock is basically a small piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny part of that company. Think of it like owning a slice of pizza, you get a piece of whatever the company earns. Each piece of that company is called a share. The more shares you have, the bigger your piece of the company. Some companies pay dividends, which is money they give back to their shareholders from the company's profits. It's like getting a bonus just for owning a piece of the company. Then there's growth. If the company does well, the value of your shares can go up over time. That means your small piece of the company could become more valuable. So remember the basics, shares are pieces of a company, dividends are money you earn from it, and growth is the value of your shares going up. And that's your quick intro to stocks. Simple, right? Start small, learn as you go, and watch your knowledge grow. And while stocks might sound complicated at first, they're really just a way for people to invest in companies they believe in. Every time a company launches a new product, opens a new store, or comes up with a brilliant idea, the value of the company can grow, and that growth can mean more for your shares too. Some people focus on dividends, because getting a little extra cash every few months can feel really rewarding. Others look for growth, hoping that over time their small investment turns into something much bigger. And the best part? You can start with just a little money, you don't need to be a millionaire to own a piece of a company. Of course, not every stock goes up. Some go down, and that's normal. Even the most successful companies have days when things don't go as planned. But that's part of the game, understanding which companies have potential, keeping an eye on trends, and making smart choices. And here's something most beginners don't realize, owning stocks isn't just about money. It's about learning how businesses work, seeing how industries change, and understanding what people value. That knowledge alone can change the way you think about money and opportunity. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the secret trick that makes some investors really successful. It's something almost nobody talks about online, and it's so simple that it seems like it shouldn't work. But before I reveal that, let's go back to something we all take for granted, how the stock market actually moves day to day. You've probably seen graphs that look like mountains or roller coasters, and wondered what they mean. Well, every line, every spike, every drop tells a story, sometimes a story about millions of people making decisions at the same time, sometimes just a single event that changes everything. And once you start seeing those patterns, you'll notice things most people completely miss. There's also the idea of compound growth, which is basically when your money starts making money, and then that new money starts making even more money. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching a whole forest grow, but the forest only appears if you're patient and let it grow over time. And that secret trick I promised? Well, I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about something even more powerful than any trick, something that can completely change the way you think about investing forever. This idea I'm talking about isn't a secret formula, and it's not some hack that only Wall Street insiders know. It's a mindset, the way you approach investing that separates people who see steady growth from those who panic and sell at the wrong time. It's about thinking long-term, not just about today's gains. Imagine a company like a tiny tree when you first plant it. At the start, it doesn't look like much. A few leaves here and there, maybe a small branch. But if you water it consistently, give it sunlight, and protect it from storms, over the years it can grow into a massive tree. That's exactly how investing in stocks works. Small, consistent decisions can lead to big results, much bigger than most people ever imagine. And here's a twist that surprises almost everyone. the stock market isn't always logical. Sometimes a company you think is amazing will see its stock fall. Sometimes a company you didn't expect anything from will suddenly skyrocket. It can feel random, but the people who understand the patterns, the rise and fall, the hype and the reality, can make better decisions. And that's the skill that turns ordinary investors into confident ones. Now, let's talk about risk, because no discussion about stocks is complete without it. Risk isn't bad, in fact, risk is part of the fun. Buying stocks is like being on a roller coaster. The highs feel amazing, and the lows can make you nervous. But if you understand the ride, you enjoy it instead of panicking. Diversifying your investments, learning about the companies you invest in, and being patient are all ways to manage risk and still enjoy the thrill of growth. And speaking of thrill, there's something almost magical about watching your money work for you. You don't need to be actively involved every day. Sometimes, the smartest thing is to let time do its work while you focus on learning more, spotting opportunities, and thinking about bigger goals. That's where real power comes in, letting your money grow while you grow your knowledge. You might be thinking, all right, now where's that secret trick you mentioned? Well, here's the thing, it's not a trick you can apply once and instantly get rich. The trick is actually combining patience with curiosity. The people who succeed aren't always the ones who find the next big stock overnight. They're the ones who stay curious, keep learning, adapt when needed, and let small gains compound over time. And the crazy part? Almost nobody talks about it in a way that makes sense for beginners. But before we fully dive into that mindset, let's pause for a moment and imagine the possibilities. Picture this: 5 years from now, 10 years from now, your small decisions today could turn into something much bigger. You might be holding stocks you barely remember buying, but suddenly they're worth far more than you expected. You might even surprise yourself with how confident you feel about investing. And that's the part most people never see coming, the quiet growth that sneaks up on you while you're learning and living your life. And here's the part that keeps many people glued to their screens, waiting for the big reveal. Even though I promised a secret trick, the real secret isn't a single move, a tip, or a shortcut. The real secret is something you've already started doing by watching this video. It's understanding, step by step, how stocks work, how companies grow, and how your money can grow with them. That knowledge, patience, and curiosity combined, that's what actually makes the difference. By now, you might be thinking you're waiting for a one-line hack or a magical formula. But the truth is, the longer you stay consistent, the more you realize that the trick is in the journey itself, in learning, experimenting safely, and watching your small pieces of ownership grow over time. That's what makes stocks exciting, rewarding, and sometimes even a little addictive in a good way. And just when you think you know it all, the market surprises you again. Companies launch new products, industries evolve, trends change, and suddenly there are opportunities you couldn't have imagined when you started. That's the beauty of investing, it's never static, and it's never boring. And it's also why the secret trick never actually appears in a single moment, because the real advantage comes from being prepared, aware, and ready to learn. So, the next time you think about stocks, don't just think about money. Think about growth, think about patience, think about curiosity. Think about planting seeds today that could grow into something incredible years from now. And remember, the excitement isn't in discovering one secret move, it's in understanding the bigger picture, the patterns, and the possibilities that most people never even notice. So, after everything we've talked about, let's bring it all together. Stocks are simply pieces of a company that you can own. Shares are your tiny slice of that company. Dividends are the rewards some companies give you just for holding on. And growth? That's the part that can turn small investments today into something much bigger over time. The real power isn't in chasing quick wins or looking for a secret trick. The power is in understanding, learning, and being patient. It's about watching trends, noticing opportunities, and letting your money work for you while you continue to grow your knowledge. Even small, consistent actions can compound into big results. And the best part? Anyone can start. You don't need to be an expert, you just need curiosity and a willingness to learn. And while some people spend years searching for a magic formula or a shortcut, the truth is that the secret trick never really appears. It's not a single move you can copy. The secret is actually in everything we've been talking about: staying informed, being patient, and letting your investments grow naturally over time. That's why it feels like there's always more to discover, because the journey never really ends. So here's the takeaway: start small, learn the basics, keep watching how companies grow, pay attention to dividends, and think about growth over the long term. Keep your curiosity alive and let time do its work. And remember, the excitement isn't in finding a shortcut, it's in seeing your knowledge and your investments grow together. By now, you've got the foundation to start your investing journey. The companies you choose, the shares you own, and the patience you practice will all shape the path ahead. And maybe, just maybe, one day you'll look back and realize that what seemed like a tiny start was actually the beginning of something much bigger. And that's where we'll leave it today. No single secret trick, no magic move, just understanding, curiosity, and the power of time. But stick around, keep learning, and watch carefully, because the next opportunity could be right around the corner, and you'll be ready.